Hey everyone, this is a 2018 Aprilia Tuono 1100 factory edition with just about 7,800 miles on it. It's extremely clean. Basically shows like a new bike. It does come with the rear seat, the manual, and an extra key. The factory edition comes with Öhlins adjustable suspension front and rear. These are serious performance machines. An absolute blast to ride. With the red wheels, it really pops against the silver and black. It does have an aquapovic carbon fiber exhaust on it. And the tail tidy really cleans up the back section. This has the standard handlebars. As I'm sure you know, it's a very comfortable bike to ride as far as sport bikes go, but still performs incredibly. And let's get it started up. Bike sounds great. The price you see listed is the price out the door. We don't charge any dealer fees. If you're looking for a nice, clean Tuono, no reason to buy a base version. You can get a factory version from us at about the same price. Hit us up if you want to check it out.